I'm gonna get the picture so you can get a good picture.
Okay, guys,
the drive
this is where I'm about to eat. Panda Express, guys.
Ooh,
Drive-through.
look at that. The walk seared steak and shrimp. That shit is good than a bitch with it. Izzy, have you ever had an Izzy girl? Izzy says the shit. Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, everybody, I'm eating kung pao chicken.
What would you like for the side?
It's my girlfriend
Huh?
that y'all hearing right
What do
now.
you like for the side?
Her name's Sugar. Hey everybody, it's me, and I have some kung pao chicken here, guys, and this is my girlfriend Sugar. And tell them what you got.
I got the steak and shrimp
Steak and shrimp, and we just
from
got
Panda Express.
Panda Express, guys. So we're gonna just get started. Okay, guys, because I gotta put my little chili sauce and stuff on here. All right, guys, I got a little bit of soy sauce here. I'm gonna put it in here. They also gave me some chili sauce, which she said is pretty hot. Y'all know I'm not a real big fan of hot stuff like my sister.
I like hot.
This is the
Hot
chili
is good.
sauce. And I'm scared to put, you want this one?
Yeah, you know what? Make it even spicier. Yeah.
Good luck to you, dear. I can't do it, y'all.
I'm straight.
That's what that's looking like. Ooh.
This is how the chili sauce look, y'all.
Yeah, because
It's really hot red.
Oh my goodness.
And I'm putting it all on there.
No, I definitely don't want to eat that. I'm scared of that.
I'm savage.
This looks like zucchini. Chicken.
I got string beans in mine. Snap peas.
Oh.
Shit. Oh, that's good.
That got a kick to it already. No wonder it's called kung pao. Because it's spicy. And I see this big ass pepper.
Pow!
I see these peppers in here. I see why. Damn.
The steak and the shrimp is good.
It's good though. Different. First day of summer school, guys. And I'm in between classes. I had gym this morning, and now I'm about to have English. So it should be pretty easy. But it's just that every day. Every day at 8 o'clock, 8 to 10, I have to be in gym class. It's alright, I guess.
They got potatoes in it. What?
Really?
We changed the game. You can't go.
Wow. I never ate from Panda Express, so this is my first time trying it.
Shout out to the Panda Express chili sauce. That shit is fire.
Really? Good luck. I do not
Mama like a spicy. Shit.
Girl. Good though.
Man, these some fat ass shrimp. Fat ass shrimp. You see that shrimp? That's a big ass shrimp.
It really is.
Covered in shrimp. Shit.
I got peppers in here. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I look around and shit, you know. You never know.
See, to get to my house, you could take South 27th Street all the way to Drexel, make a right.
Drexel
A
Road.
left.
Drexel Road.
Drexel Road. Make a left.
Mm-hmm.
Go all the way down Drexel until Chicago, where you can't turn. You either got to turn left or right. And make a left and go to Michigan.
Going back towards downtown.
Yup. Oh shit!
You're looking good.
I forgot we making a damn video.
Orange pepper.
Disregard that shit.
Mm-hmm. You see that shit? Girl.
Boy, bye.
I think I may consider though the South Side. You know, maybe. Well,
it's nice.
I normally don't like the South Side, but
It's so
like
quiet
if the
over
numbers
there.
are going up and it's a little like more quieter neighborhood, I gotta wait and see. Let's see. Good.
It's the quietest neighborhood I've been in a long ass time. Like, oh my god.
Girl, I just forgot. Oh, you know what? This is my favorite t-shirt. I just did a t-shirt. I think it was the Burger King one. So, hey, y'all, see it again. Hey, it's my favorite t-shirt. She crazy, y'all. Really crazy. But
I
she
ain't
is
crazy.
so
I'm
much fun.
real as a bitch.
Right? And that's exactly why we together. Wow.
Oh, real.
Carrots? They put carrots in here. Everything.
Man, I got
Corn.
snap peas.
Oh, you got snap peas? Oh yeah. Oh, those are good.
They are so delicious. And they didn't steam them too much. They still got that green in them.
Crispy.
And
that's good because that's when all the nutrients are still in them. Like you don't want them too soft and mushy because then all the nutrients is out of them.
Red bell peppers or orange.
I like the orange one. Red.
There's some things. I got orange one.
This is good. I'm probably gonna still have some left over for later.
Woo! That chili sauce is fire!
Oh,
yeah!
Good luck, girl.
I like hot.
Speaking of hot, you guys, I just left Bethany and she's getting all her stuff moved. She's gonna be here till Wednesday, and I won't get to see her anymore, guys, and probably until I go visit her. But my sister's really awesome. She did me a really big, huge favor today. That's really gonna get me out of a lot of trouble.
Her sister's awesome.
She met Bethany, and Bethany is awesome. She is. That's all I really can say.
Oh yeah. This is like really good, and I
Matter
just
of fact,
wasted some.
I'm gonna put
But
our
guess
picture.
what? Waste not, want now. It was on my clothes, people. I wasn't eating it off the seat or nothing.
Right. They don't care.
Just so y'all know,
They not care.
I did not want to.
Your food drop on you, you pick it up and eat it.
I ain't want to waste that, because that little morsel was so good, let me tell you.
Right. You got that up and ate it, girl. Supposed to. You're supposed to.
Sometimes I be singing when I eat some food and
Girl,
it be real good. I be
hell
like,
yeah. Hell yeah. I'm happy as hell.
I be like, what the? Oh, Snapdragon. Okay. Oh, I gotta put some of this up. I'm trying.
I know. I mean, you know it's so
something.
light too. You will be needing to eat some more later. You know that. That's why I wanted the bowl, you know, because it's all conveniently in this one container. It's good though.
See, I'm fat. Mine's almost gone. Oh, I'm finna drop my fork, Lord. It's so good.
It's so healthy too.
Oh no.
Really healthy. But these black peppers, they sure put a lot of these black peppers in here. Damn. I can't eat them.
Mine was hot because of the chili sauce. I liked it though. Now, I'm finna do. Gotta do the fortune cookie. You gotta do the shit. Or then you're gonna get hungry 5 minutes later.
Right.
Let me do a drink real quick.
All right, guys.
I'm thirsty. I gotta clear out my.
I'm gonna save this here, y'all. For later. I'm gonna save it for later. Them they didn't even give us no straws.
Excuse me.
We got ripped off.
I know, right?
Yep.
Panda be better.
Man.
We sit right in y'all parking lot eating this. Right. I could have easily got out the car and walked over there and got some straws, but that's not the way I felt right now.
We cool.
Get your fortune cookie.
Oh.
Gotta read the fortune. Okay. Uh-oh.
Drink some of this.
Oh.
Don't this your soda.
Guess what it say about me?
What?
You could guess what it say about me. Your cup.
No, okay.
Guess what it say about me. All right. You have a charming way with words.
She does, guys.
Yeah.
She's very, very funny. It's like a comedian, guys. She's really funny. At least the soda is good. They could have gave us some straws, though.
I know, we could have had some straws.
Let me get through this class. I hope it ain't boring. I never ate.
Like, man, you gotta pep it up, man. I just got done eating, man. I got the itis.
Right. Okay, y'all. Let me see what this say. The fortune says, your thoughtfulness will make admirers of many.
Oh, shimmy. And that is the truth. That's the truth.
All right. Okay. I hope so. All right. Okay, guys. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Please stay tuned for the next video. Toodaloo.
Bye.